everyone, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Ify and I am back again with another video, guys. So today I'm going to make a pan toast. That's what is raining right now. And this recipe, I'm going to use the recipe I got from one of my YouTube friends, Mama Nina's Kitchen. So I'm going to use her recipe. So before I start, here are the ingredients I am going to use. This is a cheddar cheese. This is what is it called? I've forgotten the name. This is meat. Now you know blended meat, beef, blended one. So and here is the bread I am going to use. Hope you guys can see it. It's a sliced bread, then I divided it into two. Can you see it? Then okay, I have my egg here. This is 2 eggs. I collected the 2 eggs from here, so it's 2 eggs that I'm going to use. Here is sugar. Then guys, basically you can see the recipe, you can see the ingredients in the description box, so check my description box for the full ingredients. So let's get into it, guys. So guys, I've already on my heat on a medium. In this recipe some people use butter, but today I am going to use olive oil because I don't have butter right now. So I am going to use olive oil for it. Just add a drop. This is a drop of olive oil, so you make it go round your pan. Like I told you guys, I added salt, a pinch of salt in my egg. You dip your bread one side, then you dip another one. And then you start. I need to flip it. Oh my god. I am not very good at flipping. So flip all the sides. I divided the cheese into two. Put one here, then add the other one, then add your sugar one side. Depends on the amount of sugar you want to have. Then I added my meat, like this, then add it here. Then you This doesn't require a lot of oil. Flip the other side. Guys, like I told you before, it's still on a medium heat. Please don't increase your heat because it's going to get it burnt. So you have to leave it for a while. I'm leaving it for a while because of the blended meat that I added there. You have to keep flipping it. It is ready. Can you see how yummy it looks? I'm going to taste it now. Guys, look at this goodness. OMG. OMG. Oh my god. Guys, look at the cheese. Wow. Oh my god. This is yummy. Guys, this looks so yummy. Like, this is a perfect breakfast. If you are looking for a breakfast recipe, this is the perfect for you. Like, if you don't know what you eat, this is the perfect breakfast for everybody. I can't wait to go and finish it with my son. Like, oh my god, guys. You can give this a try, guys. Give it a try and leave your feedback in the comment section. If you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up, and you can also subscribe if you've not joined this family. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Let me go and enjoy, okay? Bye bye.